Mastering the art of the wrist grip. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel where we aim to unlock the secrets of English phrases and vocabulary, making you fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're going to take a close look at the phrase, wrist grip. You might have heard it in various contexts, but what does it really mean? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and when to use this phrase. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break it down. A wrist is the part of your body that connects your hand to your arm. And to grip, something means to hold it tightly. When we put these two words together, we create a compound noun, wrist grip. But it's not just about the physical action of holding a wrist. It's a phrase with its own specific uses. Now, let's see the phrase, wrist grip, in action. This phrase is commonly used in sports and physical activities, like martial arts, gymnastics, or dance. For example, a trainer might say, "Keep a strong wrist grip while performing this exercise to maintain balance and control." It's also used in everyday situations that require physical strength or stability from the hands and wrists. Interestingly, wrist grip can also be used metaphorically. In a business or high-pressure situation, having a firm wrist grip could symbolize having a strong hold over a situation or negotiation. It implies control and determination, qualities that are often desirable in professional and personal scenarios. For English learners, it's easy to confuse wrist grip with similar phrases. Remember, wrist grip specifically refers to the action or the strength of holding with or by the wrist. It's not used for gripping objects with just the fingers or the palm. Keeping this distinction clear can help you use the phrase correctly. Let's practice with some sentences. During the arm wrestling match, he had a powerful wrist grip that his opponent couldn't break. Can you show me the correct wrist grip for this climbing exercise? She admired her grandmother's wrist grip on the gardening tools, despite her age. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, wrist grip. We hope this video helps you get a firm understanding and use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice it in different sentences to grip the essence of its meaning. Until our next video, keep learning and keep practicing. See you soon. Remember, the grip you have on language learning is just as important as a good wrist grip in physical activities. Stay strong and fluent, friends.